Mary gathers what is lost, letter stained and crosses tossed, broken prayers and wedding rings, all the small forgotten things. Nothing precious disappears from the kingdom of her tears. Every hope the world let fall still is known and held through all. She remembers every face, every child without a place, every old abandoned room still half filled with love's perfume. Mary, when my voice on and my little life moves on, keep some small